Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the new Southdale Plaza. It was recently renovated, and as you can see, it was very nicely done. Now Southdale Plaza is in Halfway Tree. It's on Constant Spring Road, and it's right beside Lane Plaza, Village Plaza, the very busy and popular plaza strip in Jamaica. So Southdale Plaza is it's in the area, the Halfway Tree area. Okay, so assuming this side has been renovated but the other side hasn't, or not yet. Okay, so we're going to spin around. Okay, I'm wondering if this is the same plaza, because why would they have a fence? Apparently Southdale Plaza is on the other side. This is a different plaza because they have a fence. See, you can clearly see the fence, so I believe this is a different plaza from, yes, okay, well. So that's Southdale on the other side of the fence. Very nicely renovated. If anybody knows the name of the plaza we're in now, you can let us know, but we're touring Southdale Plaza. And you have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. You can see a sign with all the most of the stores that are in here. Alright, so just take one more quick tour. Alright, so that is the renovated or the new Southdale Plaza. Alright, so we're heading back on to straight ahead. That's Constant Spring Road now. This section of Constant Spring Road is a one-way, so you can only go in this direction. But if to the right, that will take you up to the Haney Park and then to Manor Park, but we turn left and we're heading towards the Halfway Tree Transport Center. On the left now you're going to see a lot of plazas. That's the village, and beside it is the mall, and the right is Twin Gates. Then you have on the left Tropical Plaza, then you have Springs on the right. So this one is Tropical Plaza now.